This is the Hoco EQ24 wireless BT headset. I want to connect it to my iPhone. But when I tried to connect it to my iPhone, the Hoco EQ24 earbuds device is not showing up on my iPhone. If the Hoco EQ24 earbuds are not showing up on my iPhone, let's see how to fix it. If there are stickers on the earbuds, first remove the stickers from the earbuds. Now put both earbuds inside the charging case. Now try to connect it to your iPhone. If the Hoco EQ24 earbuds still are not visible on your iPhone, check if the earbuds have enough charge. If the earbuds do not have enough charge, charge them for 20. Once the earbuds are charged, try connecting them to your iPhone. If the Hoco EQ24 earbuds still don't show up on your iPhone, check if the earbuds are connected to another phone. If the earbuds are connected to another phone, unpair them from there. Now the Hoco EQ24 earbuds will show up on the iPhone. Now connect it. The Hoco EQ24 earbuds are now connected to the iPhone.